Here's how to connect Wi-Fi on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First thing that you need to do is go to the app library of your iPhone and search for Watch. Afterwards, once you're already on the watch, click on the Start Pairing option, click on Setup for Myself, and start pairing the Apple Watch Ultra 3 that you have. Once you have already signed in to your Apple Watch Ultra 3, click on the circle icon that you can see or circle button that you can see at your Apple Watch device. Afterwards, it will redirect you on this option where you can see the Wi-Fi settings. Click on the toggle button so that you can connect on your chosen network. Or long press the circle once again from the Apple device and you will be redirected on this page where you will see there the Wi-Fi button. Click on that blue icon and it will automatically connect you to the open Wi-Fi or network that has been saved to your iPhone.